being called for another rat problem. The people are hearing something inside their basement ceiling, and but they don't know what's that one. So we are here to find out what kind of problem they have. When I went into the hot water tank area, we figure out there are some rat droppings. So I'm inside the boiler area. When I come in this area, when most of the time when the rats are in the ceiling area, this is the area where people don't have a drywall, and that's the area from where they can come into your living space. And when we look into the down onto the floor, and we see there is a rat dropping here, and there's some rat dropping in the back. They might not be visible because there's not much light, but this rat dropping gives clear indication that there is a rat problem. Into the garage bottom is okay, there is no gap into the garage, so the garage is okay. But when we walk around on the other side of the garage, you see there is an electrical meter, and most of the time what happens on the electrical meters, it's not attached to the floor, so there is some opening, there is some gap, and sometimes the rat go inside through these opening, and then they go up and they go inside the wall. And this is one area which I need to fix out. And when I walk around, you see in this house they have the windows which are below ground level windows, and in these below ground level windows most of the time there is some holes where the rat can enter. You see this window seems nice, and it seems that there is nothing inside, but when I go in look into the window corners, so if you see here, right here, you see there's a hole, and nobody knows there is a hole, and you can see the chewing marks which shows rats are going in and out through this hole. But from outside you see this window seems nice, there's no problem with the window, but if you see closely there is a hole. So this is one hole on this window, and now I'm gonna walk around the other area. The other side, you see there is an AC unit. Sometimes the wire of the AC units there is an opening. But when I see on this side, go down, you see that there's a crack because they did renovated the house. They did an extension, but there is a gap in the foundation. So we need to fix up this gap. This gap from here is not visible. So let's walk around. There's another windows. Okay, here, see this ground level window seems okay. Everything is fine. Here everything seems fine. But if you look closely, you see how big is the hole is there? It's a big hole. And from this big hole, if I put my hand inside, I can put my hand inside very easily. And another window. This window also seems good. Nothing wrong. If you see closely, here is another big hole, and if I put my hand inside, I can feel insulation. So all these holes needs to be blocked out. So now the inspection part is over. We will block up these area, and then we will do some trapping program. Area with the screen, so they cannot go inside, and other side we blocked up this area with the cement, so now they cannot chew up and they cannot go inside. But now we're doing the exclusion work. So we see we put some trapping program, and you see we blocked up this hole with the screen, so now they cannot go inside. Here are the traps. We set up traps all around the house and inside the hot water tank area. So I'm gonna be back in a week and see how much we got. Thank you. Thanks for watching.